Growing healthy plants usually involves two key stages: starting strong seedlings and providing them with consistent nutrients as they grow. Often, these are handled separately, which can make the process more time-consuming and less efficient. In this video, we'll look at two simple and practical methods that address both stages. First, a low-cost seed starting setup using a basket and egg cartons, and second, an in-ground compost system that supplies nutrients continuously. Together, these approaches help create a smoother and more efficient growing process from start to finish. Before we start, take a moment and subscribe my channel first. Method number 1. This method helps grow strong seedlings using simple recycled materials while reducing cost and improving transplant success. Start by preparing a growing medium using garden soil, compost, and coco peat. Mixed together to create a light, nutrient-rich base that holds moisture well. Take a used fruit basket or any shallow container with drainage gaps and add a layer of this soil mix at the bottom. Place old egg cartons on top, which act as natural compartments for each seed and help keep seedlings separated. Add another layer of soil mix over and around the cartons to stabilize them. And create planting pockets. Sow 1 or 2 seeds in each compartment. And lightly cover them with soil. Water gently using a spray or light sprinkle to keep the soil moist without disturbing the seeds. Place the setup in a partially shaded or warm area and maintain consistent moisture for proper germination. Within a few days, seedlings begin to emerge, and over a few weeks, they develop into strong young plants. When ready, lift each seedling carefully with its surrounding soil and carton base, which helps protect the roots and reduces transplant shock. Transplant them into the garden. and add mulch to support moisture retention and early growth. Method number 2. This method creates a built-in composting system that feeds plants continuously by releasing nutrients directly into the soil near the roots. Start by creating a vertical structure using 2 plastic containers joined together with both ends open, ensuring airflow and easy addition of organic material. Make multiple holes in the lower container so moisture, microbes, and worms can move freely, which speeds up decomposition and improves soil health. Dig a hole in your garden bed deep enough to bury the perforated section while leaving the top accessible above ground. Place the structure upright. And fill soil around it firmly so it remains stable and in direct contact with the surrounding soil. Plant your vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, or eggplants around this structure. Spacing them properly so roots can grow toward the nutrient source. Add kitchen waste like vegetable scraps, fruit peels, and dry leaves into the top opening, along with a layer of finished compost to introduce beneficial microbes. Water the system well to activate decomposition and support nutrient movement into the soil. As the organic matter breaks down over time, it releases nutrients gradually. creating a continuous feeding system for plants. This reduces the need for fertilizers, improves soil fertility, and supports stronger, healthier plant growth throughout the growing season.